Hey there, welcome to today's video where we dive into a common problem that many developers face when working on their projects. The issue at hand involves a JavaScript error that's throwing off our code and causing some trouble. The specific error message we're dealing with is the dreaded Uncaught TypeError, cannot set properties of null problem. It's always frustrating when these errors pop up and hinder our progress. But fear not, we've got a solution at hand to tackle this pesky issue head-on. In order to resolve this problem, the key lies in where our script is being imported within the HTML file. If the script is imported at the top of the HTML without the async or defer attribute, it starts executing before the HTML is fully parsed and rendered. This premature execution leads to the error we're encountering. By checking and adjusting the script import, we can ensure that our code runs smoothly without any pesky errors disrupting the flow. Solution aside, it's essential to always pay close attention to how and when our scripts are being imported into our web projects. Making small adjustments like adding the async or defer attribute can make a world of difference in preventing errors and ensuring our code functions as intended. With this simple fix, we can breeze through our projects with ease and avoid unnecessary headaches along the way. In summary, by taking a closer look at how our scripts are imported into our HTML files, we can easily nip potential errors in the bud and keep our projects running smoothly. Remember, a little tweak here and there can go a long way in maintaining a seamless development process. So make sure to double-check those script imports and keep coding hassle-free. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!